How to buy USDT in Binance. Now in order to buy USDT in Binance, you just simply need to open your Binance application at very first. And after opening the Binance application, you will get to see this option of trade at very bottom. Just simply tap to trade option, and after tapping in there, you will get to see this option of buy/sell. Just simply select buy and sell option. And after that, at very first, just simply select the currency which you have and would like to use in order to buy USDT. In my case, I'm just simply selecting USD, and into this section, you just simply need to select USDT in order to buy it. As you can see here is the option of USDT, and after selecting USDT and the currency that you have, you just simply need to enter the amount which you would like to spend to buy USDT. And after entering the amount, you will get a button to buy the USDT. I cannot do that because my identity is not verified, but if you are verified in the application, you can very easily confirm the purchase and buy the USDT. I hope this video helped you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.